Today's lecture is about solving past paper questions. So first question is solve the equation E3x equals to 6EX. We take this EX on the other side and you can write E3x divided by E raised to the power x is equals to 6. Now you can apply division law, laws of indices. So E3x minus x is E2x is 6. And you know that whenever you are given the power is other than 10, or you cannot make the basis same, then you apply ln on both sides. So you apply ln on both sides, then you can write ln E2x is equals to ln 6. So you apply power law and can write 2x ln E is equals to ln 6. And you know that the value of ln E is equals to 1. Now you can, with the help of calculator, you can find the value of ln 6. ln 6 is equals to ln E is 1, so 2x is equals to ln 6. So x is equals to ln 6 over 2. So when you divide ln 6 by 2, your answer is 0.896. So x is equals to 0.896. So this is how you can solve this question. Now let's start another question. Another question is solve the simultaneous equation. You have to solve the simultaneous equation log 2x plus 4 is equals to 2 log 2y log 2 7y minus x equals to 4. So first step is, in order to solve this simultaneous equation, you change into a single logarithm. So you can take this 2 log 2y on the other side, and you can write log 2 2x plus 4 minus 2 log 2y is 0. So 1 imply this. Now this 2 becomes power, and you can write log 2 x plus 4 minus log 2 y square is equals to 0. And now you know there is a division sign, subtraction sign here. So to change into a single logarithm, you will write log 2 x plus 4 divided by y square is 0. Now you can change this into exponential form to remove the logarithm sign. And you can write 2 raised to power 0 is equals to x plus 4 over y square is 2 raised to power 0, which is equals to 1. So it means that x plus 4 is equals to y square. So now this is your new equation A. So this is how you can change logarithmic form to exponential form, and you get equation x plus 4 is equals to y square. Now we move to the another equation. Second equation is log 2y two with base 2, 7y minus x is equals to 4. Now you can apply laws of a logarithm and you can change into exponential form and can write 7y minus x is equals to 4 square. And this is how you get 7y is minus x is equals to 16. And you can make x as subject of the formula and can write 7y minus 16 is x. Now you can substitute this value of x in this equation A. So you will write here 7y y square is x plus 4. So you can write here y square is equals to x means 7y minus 16 plus 4. So then you can write y square minus 7y plus 12 is 0. Then you can apply factorization and you can write y minus 4 into y minus 3 is 0. It means that y is either 4 or y is 3. Now you substitute these value in one of the equation, either in A or B. And when you substitute y equals to 4, your answer is 7, 4 times is 28, 28 minus 16. X is equals to 28 minus 16. So value is 12. So when y is 4, x is 12. So the another value is when y is 3. When y is 3, and then you substitute this value, then you get 21 minus 16 is x. So x is equals to 15. So this is how you can solve these two simultaneous equations. Now let's do another question. Again, it's about solving the simultaneous equations. So we use the same technique. First, we change into a single logarithm. And you can write it as log 3x plus 1 minus log 3 y is equals to 1. And there is a division minus sign. So we apply division law and you can write log 3 x plus 1 over y is equals to 1. And then you apply exponential rule, change into exponential form. So then you can write x plus 1 over y is equals to 3 raised to the power 1. So x plus 1 equals to 3y and x is equal, you can make x as subject of the formula. So this is how you change logarithmic equation to simple linear equation. Now we use this equation. And simply there is no need to change into any division or subtraction law. So you just apply, change the logarithmic form to uh, exponential form, because you can see there is a single log over here. So you can write x minus y is equals to 3 square, which means that x minus y is 9. So now you have two linear simultaneous equations. You substitute this value of x from 1 to 2. So here we do this. You can write 3y minus 1 minus y is 9. So 3y minus y is 2y and 9 plus 1 is 10 and value of y is 10. Now you can substitute this value of y in one of the given equation and can find the value of uh, 2y is 10 and y is 5, and you can find the value of x. Now when you substitute this value here, so value of x is equals to 3 into 5 minus 1, which is 15 minus 1 is 14. So now we have value of x is 14 and value of y is 5. This is how you can solve this simultaneous equations. Now we come to the next question. Next question is show that log 9, 4 is equals to log with base 3, 2. So you have to prove that. So you can choose any one of the side or you can solve both sides. So it's entirely up to you. For example, if I take left-hand side of this question, so log 9, 4. Here we apply chain base law because you see that we have to change into this base 3. So then you can write it as by using chain base law, log 3, 4 over log 3, 9. You are using chain base law. Then further you can write it as log 3, 2 square over log 3, and 9 can be expressed as 3 square. And then you apply power law and can write log 3 base 2 over 2 log 3, 3. And you can simplify. You know log 3, 3 is 1. This is how you prove that this whole expression is equal to log 3, 2. And this is equals to basically your right hand side. Hence it is proved. Next question is log 9, 4 plus log 3x equals to 3. You can see it's written that hence means you have to use the part, the answer of the part we did in question number 1, A part. So in A part, your answer was log 9, 4 is equals to log 3, 2. So here you can write log 3, 2 as well. This is log 3, 2 plus log 3x is 3. Now bases are same. Since bases are same, so you can write here, apply multiplicative law and can write log 3, 2x is 3. And then you apply change into log exponential form and can write 2x is 3 cube. So it means that x is equals to 27 by 2, or you can write 13 whole 1 by 2. So this is how you can solve logarithmic equation. Next question is solve 2 raised to the power 3x minus 1 equals to 6. Again, here you cannot make the basis same. So when you cannot make the basis same, then we apply logarithm on both sides. So you will apply logarithm. You can write here 3x LG means log with base 10 equals to LG6. We apply log on both sides, and then you can write 3x minus 1 LG2 is equals to LG6, and then 3x minus 1 is equals to LG6 over LG2. Now first you solve LG6 and over LG2, and then you divide them, then plus 1, then you can write here 3x is equals to LG6 over LG2 plus 1. And first you solve this whole expression and then divide the answer by 3. Then your final answer should be 1.19. Now we move to next question. Next question, again, you have to solve the equation. And question is log 3 y plus 1 by 4, y plus 14 equals to 1 plus 2 over log y3. So again, you can apply chain-based law here. You can change 3y to y3 as well. And we take reciprocal of this 1 over log y3. So you can write log 3y plus 14 is equals to 1 plus log, you just take reciprocal of this term. So reciprocal of 1 over log y3 is equals to log 3y. So this is how once you take reciprocal. Now you see that the bases are same. So you can take this on the other side. And this 2 becomes power. And 1 as it is. Now there is a subtraction sign here. So we apply division law and can write log 3 y plus 14 over y squared is equals to 1. Then you can apply, express this into exponential form and can write y plus 14 over y squared is equals to 3 raised to power 1, which is 3. So when you cross multiply, you get an equation 3y squared minus y minus 14 is 0. So now once you get a quadratic equation, then you can apply factorization. So factors will be 7 and 6. So you can write 3y minus 7 into y plus 2 is 0. And can find the values of y. Now we have y is equals to 7 by 3 and y is equals to minus 2. But you have to give your answer. So but y equals to minus 2 is not defined because log y3 is undefined. So it implies that we have a single answer, y is equals to 7 by 3. So we ignore this y equals to minus 10. One more question. Question is solve the simultaneous equations. So same pattern. First we change into exponential form And when you express this in exponential form, you can write 2 cube is equals to x plus 2y. It means that x plus 2y is equals to 8. So this is one linear equation. And secondly, again, bases are same. So you can write log with base 2, 3xy, 3x over y, division law, because of the subtraction sign here, is 1. Then we apply exponential form. So 3x over y is equals to 2 raised to power 1. So 3x minus 2y is 0. So this is how you get second equation, linear equation. And once you get both equation, then you can substitute the value of x from 1 in the second equation, or you can apply uh, elimination method as well. From here, you see that the value of x is, when you make x as subject of the formula, so x is equals to 8 minus 2y. Now you substitute this value of x in this equation and write here 8 minus 2y is 0. So you expand it. So 24 minus 6y minus 2y is 0. So it means that 8y is equals to 24. And finally, the value of y is equals to 3. Now you have to find value of x. So you can use any one of the equation. For example, you can use 3x minus 2y is 0 to find the value of x. So you can get 3x minus 2, 3 times is 6, and 3x is 6, which implies that x is 2. So this is how you solve simultaneous equation in logarithmic form.